Hi guys!
Today I'm going to teach you how to unfold QB in Funimate. Want this? Follow my social medias. Let's start. First go to groups and select your clip. Now go to transform and scale 110. Now add the effect gold cube. Go to rotation Y and put keyframe at the start and near the end, and at the first keyframe put it to 0, and at the second keyframe put it to 215, first keyframe, 0, second keyframe, 215, copy my graph. Now go to Unfold and put keyframe the same position as the rotation Y. Unfold 68. Put it at the last keyframe. As you can see earlier I put the second keyframe at rotation E to 180. That's why if you're wondering me, put 215 instead of 180 earlier. Copy my graph. Now go to rotation X and put keyframe at the start and near theme. At the last keyframe put it to 25. Copy my graph. You're done. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to see more tutorials soon. I posted all my edits on all my social medias, so go and follow them.